Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to travel amongst the stars? Imagine a time when this idea was not just a flight of fancy, but a budding reality, a challenge to human ingenuity and spirit. That time was the mid-20th century, and this was the dawn of space exploration. In the wake of World War II, amidst a world divided by ideologies, a new frontier opened up. It was not a geographical one, but one that lay beyond the azure veil of our atmosphere. The cosmos, the final frontier, had begun to beckon humanity, promising both answers to our deepest questions and a canvas for our most audacious dreams. The first significant step toward this frontier was made by the Soviet Union in 1957 with the launch of Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. This metallic sphere, no larger than a beach ball with its 4 long antennas, was a humble start. But as it beeped its way around the Earth, it marked a significant triumph. It was a tangible proof that humanity could reach out into the cosmos. This event sparked a global fascination with space, a fascination that transcended boundaries and cultures. It was our first collective step into the unknown, our first leap into the void. It marked the beginning of the space age, an era defined by rapid technological advancement and a desire to explore beyond our home planet. The launch of Sputnik 1 was not just a technological achievement, it was a challenge, a gauntlet thrown down to the rest of the world. It was a call to all of humanity, a call to explore, to understand, to dream, and to dare. The reverberations of this event are still felt today, in every satellite that orbits our planet, every space probe that ventures into the depths of our solar system, and every astronaut that gazes down upon our blue planet from the blackness of space. And so, the stage was set for a new era of discovery and exploration beyond the confines of our home planet. The launch of Sputnik 1 sparked an intense rivalry between two superpowers, kickstarting the infamous space race. These words echo the beginning of an era marked by relentless competition and incredible innovation. The space race was a breathtaking contest between the United States and the Soviet Union, a high-stakes chess match played out against the infinite backdrop of the cosmos. Both nations poured their hearts, minds, and seemingly limitless resources into the pursuit of space dominance. The Soviets took an early lead, with the successful launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957. This small satellite, no larger than a beach ball, was the first artificial object to orbit the Earth, beeping its existence to the world below. But the Soviet Union wasn't content with just satellites. In 1961, they achieved another significant victory. A young pilot named Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth, a feat that would etch his name into the annals of history. The world watched in awe as Gagarin journeyed into the unknown, his heroic voyage symbolizing the limitless potential of human achievement. However, the United States was not far behind. They had their sights set on a more distant goal, the Moon. In July of 1969, the Apollo 11 mission, led by astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, made the impossible possible. As Armstrong took his legendary one small step, humanity collectively held its breath. The Moon, once a distant object of wonder, was now a place where humans had walked. The space race was more than just a competition. It was a testament to our inherent curiosity and our insatiable desire to explore. It pushed the boundaries of technology, expanded our understanding of the universe, and inspired generations to dream of the stars. The space race not only pushed the boundaries of human achievement, but also shaped the course of international politics for decades to come. As we look back on this remarkable chapter in our history, we're reminded that when we reach for the stars, there's no telling what we might achieve. As the dust settled on the space race, a new era of space exploration dawned, with a focus on international cooperation and scientific discovery. In the twilight of the 20th century, a landmark project took shape, the International Space Station, or ISS. The ISS, a testament to the power of global collaboration, is a space environment research laboratory where scientists conduct experiments in biology, physics, astronomy, and more. This incredible structure orbits our Earth at a speed of over 17,000 miles per hour, hosting astronauts from across the globe, from the United States to Russia, Japan, to Europe. It's a beacon of unity, shining brightly in the night sky. Meanwhile, our curiosity about our celestial neighbor Mars intensified. The red planet, with its striking similarities and stark differences to Earth, has always sparked our imagination. The Mars rover missions, most notably Spirit, Opportunity, and the latest rover, Perseverance, have been our eyes and ears on Mars, sending back invaluable data and breathtaking images. These tireless explorers have unveiled the planet's geological history, searched for signs of ancient life, and even tested technology for future human exploration. The shift from competition to collaboration in space exploration has been monumental. What was once a race between two superpowers now sees many countries contributing knowledge, resources, and manpower. Countries that once looked at each other through the lens of rivalry now gaze together at the stars, sharing a common goal of understanding the cosmos. This era has also seen the rise of commercial space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, who are democratizing space travel, making it more accessible to ordinary people. Their contributions, along with continuing international collaborations, promise to accelerate our journey into the cosmos. In this modern era, space exploration has become a global endeavor, with nations joining forces to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. And as we stand at the threshold of this exciting era, we can only imagine what incredible discoveries await us in the vast expanse of the universe. As we look to the future, what does the next chapter of space exploration hold for us? The wheels of innovation are turning, and we're not just talking about rovers on Mars. The coming years will see humans embarking on missions that would have been the stuff of science fiction only a few decades ago. Take NASA's Artemis program, for example. This ambitious project aims to return humans to the moon by 2024, the first such mission since the Apollo era. This time, the plan is to establish a sustainable human presence on the lunar surface. The moon will become our base camp for the next big leap, Mars. Speaking of Mars, the red planet has been the subject of fascination for centuries and is now within our reach. Plans are afoot to send not just rovers, but human explorers to Mars. Imagine that, humans setting foot on another planet. This is no longer the realm of fantasy, but a tangible goal for the near future. But it's not just government agencies leading the charge. Private companies are playing an increasingly important role in shaping the future of space exploration. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, has already made history with its reusable rockets and is now working towards its ultimate goal, making life multiplanetary. Then there's Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos' space venture, which aims to build a future where millions of people can live and work in space. These are ambitious goals, no doubt, but if we've learned anything from the history of space exploration, it's that when we dream big, we achieve big. The moon, Mars, and beyond, these are not just destinations, but stepping stones to a future where humans are a spacefaring civilization. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, who knows where our journey amongst the stars will take us next?